How do I tell matplotlib that I am done with a plot? The following code plots to two PostScript.ps files, but the second one contains both lines. How can I tell matplotlib to start afresh for the second plot?
You can use figure to create a new plot, for example, or use close after the first plot.
There is a clear figure command, and it should do it for you. If you have multiple subplots in the same figure, clears the current axis.
As stated from at David Cornepo, use figure. Or subplot 121, subplot 122 for the same plot, different position.
Just enter plt.holdFalse before the first plt.plot, and you can stick to your original code.
If you want to see more, please consider